Hello students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Siri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about more on Windows 7. The content of this video: first, Windows 7; second, media player; third, RIP CD; fourth, Perm CD; fifth, display to Windows; sixth, disk cleanup. So let's start this video. Starting with Windows 7. Windows 7 is an operating system which is program that lets you run your computer. A program is set of instructions written for a computer. It was developed by Microsoft and released on July 22, 2009. It is preceded by Windows Vista 2007 and succeeded by Windows 8 in year 2012. Means Windows 7 is an operating system, and this Windows developed by Microsoft company, and Windows 7 released on July 22, 2009. It is a updated version of Windows Vista 2007 and succeeded by Windows 8 2012. Now present time Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows Microsoft company. Windows Media Player. Microsoft Windows Media Player is used to play and organize digital media files like audio and video on computer and internet. We can listen to radio stations from all over the world, play and copy CD, DVD, create our own CD and DVD, and copy music and video to portable devices. It means Windows Media Player is a software which are used to play and organize digital media file like audio and video. Even you also use Windows Media Player for internet songs and video also play in this Windows Media Player. And Windows Media Player also used for copy, make a new CD. Suppose that you want to make a new CD, means as it is same copy of a CD, then you create this Windows Media Player, and also you create new CD and copy from CD to in your computer data. And suppose that you want to copy some image audio from CD to computer, then you copy through Windows Media Player. So now discuss here about RIP, means copy CD to computer. RIP means copy, means any data copy from CD to computer. So let's follow these steps. When you follow these steps, then you copy data from CD to computer. Step first, take the audio CD and place it into your CD, DVD or Blu-ray drive. Means first one, you take your CD or DVD and put on CD or DVD drive. Step 2, start Windows Media Player and access the audio CD. Means after put on CD or DVD drive, then you follow step second, start Windows Media Player. Means you open your Windows Media Player and access the audio CD. Just like look here figure, when you are insert your CD, then all audio show on your Windows Media Player. Step third, choose the audio format from ripping the CD. Means you select the audio format, MP3, waves, there are so many. You select, means this one is your music CD, so you select the MP3. For ripping means copy CD data from to computer. Step 4, choose the audio quality you prefer. Means you select audio quality if you copy from CD to computer, then you select the audio quality. Means suppose just like 360 pixels, 480, 720 pixel, like you select according to your need. Step 5. Choose where to save the ripped audio and what file name to us. Means in this fifth step, you select the destination location where you want to save your file and write here name of this file, just like a given image here. Step 6. Rip the audio CD to your Windows computer. Means you click the rip CD. Here red arrow show the rip CD. When you click the rip CD, your CD content data copy start copy on a particular destination, particular location. Next one is the copy data from computer to CD. Means burning CD. It means say burning CD. Burning CD means you copy data from computer to CD. Means you make a copy of a CD through burning CD process. So you follow the some steps. Step 1. Insert a blank DVD into your computer. When you are enter blank DVD through DVD writer, show this image DVD writer. Second step, select burn file to disk from autoplay window. You select when you are insert blank DVD, and you follow second step, select burn file to disk. Here burn an audio CD. You click here. Step 3. When you follow second step, then give the disk name, disk title, disk name. Look here, figure here, show disk title. You give any name. Step 4. Add files to disk. Means which type of DVD you want to prepare. Then you first one you send the matter. Means suppose if you want to make music MP3, then you send audio, music, video, then you send video or image. You select just like this, send to and DVD writer. Step 5. Click burn to disk. Means here you click burn to disk. Red arrow show here burn to disk. When you click the burn to disk, your disk is process. And after some times, means you wait. Step 6. Wait for the files to be burned. Means after when complete 100%, then completed your CD automatic. Means your DVD or CD drive open. Means after completion of CD burning process, your CD out of CD drive, and it means your process is completed. Means you make a duplicate, yeah, we can say that a same copy of any file or DVD. Next one is displaying 2 windows at a time. Means we can display 2 application windows side by side. So open MS Word and MS PowerPoint. So you open any 2 application, MS Word and MS PowerPoint program, one by one. The PowerPoint window is active at present. Means you open 2 application and one is minimized and second one is open on full screen. Now right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Blank portion of the taskbar, you click right click, and third click show windows side by side. Here the given figure here, option window, show windows side by side. From the shortcut menu, both the application window will display side by side. When you select windows, show windows like side by side, then both applications show in half portion at a time. Both applications show on one window, on one monitor. It means not only you open MS Word, MS PowerPoint, you open any MS Paint, Word Art, means you open Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, means it means you open any two applications and follow these steps. You one application you minimize and second application you open and click free black portion of taskbar, right click and there are sub menu and you select show windows side by side. Then when you select show windows side by side, then both applications show on your screen, means half portion show on your screen at a time. Two windows show on your screen. Next one, what is disk cleanup? Disk cleanup is a Windows maintenance utility. This utility is designed to free up disk space on computer hard drive. The way disk cleanup works is by scanning and analyzing the hard drive to see if there are files that are no longer needed. This cleanup removes the unnecessary file and frees up more available space. It means disk cleanup clean the free space. When you are use any type of application, computer takes some space, and when you are close this application, computer also takes space, and this cleanup free this space. And when you are free this space through this cleanup, then your computer perform good. Means your computer speed good when you are clean this cleanup. As it is, you also remove your disk clean your mobile. Means how to perform this cleanup? Follow some steps. First, click start button. Step 2, click all programs. Step 3, click accessories. Step 4, click system tools. Step 5, click disk cleanup. Step 6, choose one of the two options. Here are two options: my file only, file from all user on this computers. Means you select my file only, means you open your file you want to remove and give free space, or more file on open in this computer. You select any one option. Step 7, select the files to be deleted. Means there are so many files here. See here, there are so many files. You select through checkbox your file, yeah, all file of this computer, and click OK. Step 8, click delete files. Means here option one dialog box appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? When you click delete files, then your file delete means your file delete, which means not delete permanently, means your file delete in library and provide a free space. Next one, sleep mode. Means what is sleep mode in computer? Sleep mode is a power saving state that is similar to pushing a DVD movie. Means it means sleep mode is a power saving state. Just like you pause any DVD, means any DVD movie play, you pause. All actions of the computer are stopped. Any open documents and applications are put in memory while the computer goes into a low power state. Means sleep mode is a power saving state where when you select sleep mode, or application, all documents put in memory. When you select the sleep mode, it also use night. It also in mobile you use night shield. When you click the night shield, your mobile go on night shield state and no minimum power take at that time. Means you are conserve, you are save your power when you computer change the sleep mode. Hibernate mode. Hibernate mode is very similar to sleep, but it instead of saving your open documents and running application to your RAM. It means hibernate mode is also very similar to sleep mode, but in a sleep mode your application document go on memory, but in hibernate mode your open documents or application running application to your RAM, not going on memory, run on RAM. It saves them your hard disk. This allows you computer to run off entirely, which means once your computer is in hibernate mode, it is use zero power. So the best option is hibernate mode for saving your energy power of your computer system. After the discussion of Windows Media Player, how to rip data from CD to computer and burning CD, means computer to CD, means make your data file, data CD to computer to CD and display two windows at a time, disk cleanup. After that, understand here given the homework. First question, what is Windows Media Player? Second, write steps to rip data from CD to computer. Write steps to burn data from computer to CD. Fourth, what is disk cleanup? Fifth, write the steps to disk cleanup. Sixth, what is hibernate mode? Hopefully you understand all these things. Thank you.